computer. Hi, folks. My name's Chuck Shad Duck. I'm the Digital Duck, and I live in the middle of the U.S. of A. I got my friend here with you. Ron, say hello to the world.
Hello, folks. How you doing? My name is Ron Thompson, and I've worked 32 years in the corporate world for Energizer Corporation, retired from that. And I wanted to mention also I'm from Palm Coast, Florida in the United States. And for the last 6 years, I've tried online businesses of different types with absolutely no success whatsoever. Total failure. And I got with Chuck on this CryptoBuilder.com and joined his team, People Helping People Club, Crypto Builders. And I have success in a very short period of time. I am making Bitcoins. We are moving along nicely. And all I have to say is thank you, Chuck the Digital Duck, and Hannes Jordan.
Hey, and thanks to Hannes for popping in here one day. Twice he's been in here and said thank you and explained things to us. So that's great. Now, like I said, I've been online for 30 years, ladies and gentlemen. I've been trying to find the right thing to really help people with. That's where People Helping People Clubs takes off. We want to meet people and greet people and help people around the world. Well, Hannes and Crypto Builder is what is helping us help the people around the world. Ron and I have only been knowing each other for 2 months now. Isn't that right, Ron?
Yes, that's right, Chuck.
And we were looking all along. We have been looking for years and years for that right income vehicle. And when we requested it, Hannes Jordan popped right in here and shared with us Crypto Builder. So we love Crypto Builder, and we're all about helping people around the world, which we can do with Bitcoin. Isn't that right, Ron?
Yes, that is correct, Chuck.
And your wife is Ruby, isn't it?
Yes, it is. And Ruby, I got to tell you, Chuck was totally against us. She was all over me like ugly on an egg. Why am I keep wasting my money? You can't be successful. Well, I donated for her to come on board, and she is so excited, Chuck. As you know, I believe she is our top promoter. She is totally into it. See, she has made some Bitcoins, and she is a very happy woman and now understands what I was trying to accomplish.
And ladies and gentlemen, with Crypto Builder, we like to help people face to face. Crypto Builder makes it possible for us to help everybody around the world, and we have the tools to do it with. Thanks to Crypto Builder and the great people over there that came up with the system, not a business. It's not as Ponzi as they say. It's a system that is for everybody to use. That's what I love about it, Ron. We can help people over in Scotland, South Africa, and we've got members in our club, Crypto Builder, in our club that are all over the world, don't we, Ron?
Yes, we do. We have them in the Philippines. We have them in Scotland. We have them in the UK.
Bahamas.
South Africa.
We have one gentleman that drives his truck around the West Coast and around delivering mining parts. Shout out to our friend out there for that, Pat Coon. Love that. He takes us traveling in his truck. And because of Crypto Builder and the automation and the teamwork that really it permeates everybody, we love helping each other, don't we, Ron?
Yes, we do. We love it.
And that's where Crypto Builder comes in. If people out there are looking for something to help people with, instead of trying to sell something to people, reach out there and help others. That's what we do. So that's my testimony. Chuck Shaduck, the Digital Duck. I'm an old fart from the middle of the USA. Ron, thanks for hanging out with me.
You are welcome, Chuck. I enjoy every minute of it. In fact, there's days that we spend 10, 14 hours a day together.
Excellent. And we want to say thank you, CryptoBuilder.com.
Yes, thank you, CryptoBuilder.com.